Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you guys how you can recover your forgotten password on Badoo. So first of all, open the Badoo app. Then on the bottom right you will see your profile icon. So click on the profile icon. Then on the top left of your screen you will see the settings icon. Click on the settings icon. Then choose the second option, that is account. And in this page click on forgot password. And Badoo will send you a link in your email address to reset your password. So click on OK and check your email. So open your email and check for the mail sent by Badoo. Open the email and click on create a new password option. And here you will be asked to create a new password. So create a new password. Then click on set password and you have successfully created a new password for your Badoo account. So that's all for this video guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel